Welcome to my channel. Today my topic about how to start YouTube automation. Easiest way to make money and build a successful channel. Step-by-step guide. Introduction. It allows you to generate revenue from YouTube without being the face of the channel or directly creating all the content yourself. Instead, you manage a system where you outsource various aspects of content creation, such as scripting, video, editing, voiceovers, and thumbnail design to freelancers or automated tools. This approach enables you to scale your YouTube channel faster and generate consistent income. This guide will walk you through the step-by-step process of starting a YouTube automation channel, including setting it up, creating content, and monetizing it successfully. What is YouTube automation? YouTube automation involves building and running a YouTube channel where most of the content creation process is outsourced. The goal is to create a system where you manage the content strategy, but the actual work of producing videos is handled by others. Instead of appearing on camera or editing videos yourself, you hire freelancers or use automation tools to handle the following tasks: scripting, voiceovers, video editing, thumbnail creation, uploading, and SEO optimization. This model allows you to focus on the business side of the channel while letting others handle the creative and technical work. Benefits of YouTube automation. 1. Scalability. Since you are outsourcing tasks, you can focus on growing multiple channels simultaneously. 2. Passive income. Once your channel starts generating views and ad revenue, you can earn money passively. 3. No need to appear on camera. You can create successful channels without showing your face. 4. Leverage expertise. Hiring experts for scripting, editing, and voiceovers ensures high-quality content. 5. Focus on strategy. You can concentrate on content, ideas, channel growth, and monetization strategies. Step-by-step guide to starting YouTube automation. Step 1. Choose a profitable niche. The success of a YouTube automation channel heavily depends on selecting the right niche. Some of the most profitable niches include finance, stock market, cryptocurrency, personal finance, business advice, health and fitness, workout routines, diet plans, mental health tips, technology, reviews, tutorials, tech news, luxury and motivation, lifestyle content, success stories, luxury brands, gaming, game reviews, gameplay highlights, tips and tricks, education and how-to, informational content, DIY and tutorials. Tips for choosing a niche. Pick a niche with high CPM cost per mil potential. Finance and technology. Niches tend to have the highest ad rates. Choose a niche that you can consistently create content for. Research trending topics within your chosen niche using tools like Google Trends and TubeBuddy. Step 2. Research and analyze competitors. Study successful channels in your niche to understand what works. Look at video titles and thumbnails, video length and format, posting frequency, engagement rate, likes, comments, shares. Tools to use. Social Blade to track channel growth and earnings. TubeBuddy to analyze keywords and SEO strategies. Step 3. Create a content strategy. Once you've chosen a niche, create a content plan that includes video titles. Focus on searchable and engaging titles. Thumbnail design. Eye-catching thumbnails. Improve click-through rate CTR. Content format. Decide if your videos will be list-based, explainer, or commentary. Posting schedule. Consistency is key. Aim for at least 2 to 3 videos per week. Example content strategy. Niche, personal finance. Format, 10-minute, explainer videos. Posting schedule, 3 videos per week. Monday, Wednesday, Friday. SEO focus, best ways to save money. Investing tips for beginners, etc. Step 4. Set up your YouTube channel. 1. Create a YouTube account. Go to www.youtube.com and sign in using your Google account. Create a new channel under your channel. 2. Optimize your channel. Channel name. Choose a name that reflects your niche. Description. Add a compelling channel description with targeted keywords. Profile picture and banner. Use high-quality images that align with your niche. 3. Set up keywords and tags. Add relevant tags to help YouTube recommend your channel. Use tools like Vidic to find trending tags. Step 5. Outsource content creation. Instead of creating content yourself, hire freelancers or use automation tools to handle the following. 1. Script writing. Platforms: Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer. Pay $5, $20 per script. 2. Voiceover. Platforms: Fiverr, Voices.com, or AI-based tools, for example, Descript. Pay $5, $30 per voiceover. 3. Video editing. Platforms: Fiverr, Upwork, or use software like Adobe, Premiere Pro, or pay $10, $50 per video. 4. Thumbnail creation. Platforms: Canva, Fiverr, or Photoshop. Pay $5, $20 per thumbnail. Tip: start small with 1 or 2 videos per week, then scale as you find success. Step 6. Upload and optimize videos. 1. Title include high search volume keywords. To description, write a detailed description with targeted keywords and links. 3. Tags. Use relevant tags to improve search rankings. 4. Thumbnail. Use bright colors, bold text, and high contrast. 5. End screens and cards. Encourage viewers to watch more of your videos. Step 7. Monetize your channel. You need to meet YouTube's monetization requirements. 1,000 subscribers. 4,000 watch hours in the last 12 months. Ways to monetize. 1. YouTube ads. Get paid. 4 ads shown on your videos. 2. Affiliate marketing. Include product links in video descriptions. 3. Sponsorships. Partner with brands to promote products. 4. Merchandise. Sell branded products via YouTube's merch shelf. Step 8. Analyze and improve performance. Use YouTube Studio to track your performance. CTR click-through rate. Aim for 5 to 10%. Watch time. The longer viewers watch, the better your video will rank. Audience retention. Keep it above 50%. Engagement. Encourage comments, likes, and shares. Tip: double down on high performing video types and adjust your strategy. For underperforming content. Tips for success. Focus on quality, higher quality content leads to better audience retention. Stay consistent, post regularly to keep your audience engaged. Engage with viewers, respond to comments and create a sense of community. Avoid copyright issues, use royalty-free music and images. Test thumbnails. Test different thumbnail designs to improve CTR. Common mistakes to avoid. 1. Inconsistent posting leads to poor algorithm performance. 2. Poor SEO. Without proper keywords, your videos won't rank. 3. Low quality thumbnails reduce click-through rates. 4. Ignoring analytics. Data guides your content strategy. 5. Overspending on freelancers. Start small and reinvest after you make profits. Conclusion. Starting a YouTube automation channel is one of the easiest and most scalable ways to make money online. By outsourcing content creation and focusing on high-earning niches, you can build a profitable channel without needing to create videos yourself. Follow the step-by-step guide outlined above, track your performance, and adjust your strategy to maximize growth. With the right approach and consistency, you can turn YouTube automation into a steady source of passive income.
Thanks for watching.